Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about Postman installation and how you can update it. Postman can be downloaded for all major operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Linux as a standalone application. It can also be downloaded as Chrome extension. You can just add it to your Chrome, and you can also make use of the web version which is available. So in this particular video, we will be downloading Windows installer, and we will install it on our local machine, and we will look into the Postman tool itself. So just search for Postman. Okay, click on download Postman. Okay, click on Windows 64-bit. It's going to download it. I'm not going to wait for it. I have already downloaded it. So let's double click and start the installation. So Postman installation is a silent installation. It will do it everything on background. So in few seconds, you will just see that Postman will come up and it is already installed for you. So this is the Postman tool. We will talk about its interface in the next video. But let's see what are the options to check for the update. So when you click on this menu icon, help, and then check for updates, from here it will going to check the updates for the Postman, and if it is available, it will download and install for it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.